All right. If you don't know me, my name is Isaac. I spent about 9.5 to 10 months losing a little over 140 pounds. And we're gonna fucking drive. So we gotta get through it. Only thing to it is to do it. Small change of plans. My buddy just is like low-key stranded because he ran out of fuel. So we have this guy full of. We're about to pull up on him. Did I pass him?
I hope this works.
You put it all in?
Yeah.
Word. Let's see if she starts.
Oh no!
Alright, so in order to not make these like extremely long and boring, I'm really only going to record like top sets. I'm not going to record every top set I do on every movement. But this is our setup right now. This gym doesn't have like a chest supported row or a T-bar row or literally anything for your back minus a lat pull down. So we improvise, we adapt, we overcome. This is like a homemade T-bar row. So yeah.
Leading you down into my core, where I become so numb without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find me there and make it back.
So I completely forgot to record, but I did some fucking Smith incline. We're gonna use the ankle cuff and we're gonna do some rear delt flies because once again, there is no rear delt machine at this gym.
Oh,
having all three.